Okay, everybody today is create test on my new Discovery and Apollo demo board. The demo board still in its early stages, but I've got some new devices like this call point and the Symphony, that's a new device, and I've got a couple more new devices that weren't previously shared on the system. So now I'm going to test the call point first of all. I forgot to say that and that are disabled, because they're too loud with the bass sounders. They're quite loud. Right, so the next device I will do will be the Discovery smoke detector. Okay, here's one of my favourite Xp95 devices. I'm going to test it. That keeps spraying out air. Let's call it. Right then. Okay, so now I'll test. I'll go into the program. I'll disable everything but the VAD. Because it's loud with those bass sounds, the other bass sounds going off. The VAD's a new device. Hopefully that won't go off again. I'll sure I'll just take off its base. Right then, I'll do both of those. I'm not going to cut any of the zooming out or anything, it's just so I'll spray both of them. Spray in. And see which one goes off first. There we go. I need to get a base for one of them on it. I just had it sort of dangling to test it. I got that there recently. I got the VAD, and I got as well a bunch of Xp95 smoke heads and the Symphony Openet, the 100 multi-tone sounder. And what else did I get? I got a couple more devices. I can't say where I got them from, but I don't have to pay for them. I got them. Yeah, I find that it sounds like an open area. The probably just a new tone generator in it. I'll quickly sound the standalone sounders. I know the isolator's on that, it's on for some reason, but that's what it like, just without its bubble wrap on it. And it's loud when I put out its bubble wrap on. Yeah, and that's why that's in it. It's very nice. So that's it. Just reset the camera. Yeah, a lot of people want to know what's going on with the Syncro, but I've decided to reinstall it. I can't be bothered selling almost, and you never know. I could just might want to use it again. I quite like Apollo. So yeah, I might get a jet system test out this weekend, but I'm busy. Nah, busy-ish. I've had a busy week, so I'm taking here the weekend off, but there we go. So thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and that's it.